A leaky faucet is not just annoying, it can lead to higher water bills and water damage. Fortunately, fixing a common leak is something you can do yourself with a few basic tools. First, identify the type of faucet: compression, cartridge, ball type, or ceramic disc. A compression faucet is most prone to leaks due to worn out rubber washers. Turn off the water supply before you start. Place a bucket under the sink to catch any drips, and lay down towels to protect surfaces. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the packing nut. Once removed, inspect the washer inside the valve seat. This is often the culprit in compression faucets. If the washer is worn or damaged, replace it with a new one of the exact size and shape. Reassemble the faucet and turn on the water to check if the leak persists. For other types of faucets, the issue might be worn O-rings or cartridge valves. In such cases, removing the faucet handle and replacing the damaged parts usually resolves the issue. Always ensure you have the correct replacement parts by taking the old ones to the store for a perfect match. With these steps, your faucet should operate smoothly without leaks, saving you from unnecessary frustration and expense.